how to measure your body fat to get your BMI and everything like that on a smart scale. Now, there's a couple things you want to keep in mind when getting on a scale, because we want to do this right in order to get an accurate reading. There's really a couple things that need to happen. One is kind of obvious. We need to have the scale on a flat, hard surface, and we need to get on this scale and not move on it, be very still on it, okay? But there's a couple other things. One, you need to be barefoot so that your feet are touching these electrodes on the scale. And two, you should have pants on, but you don't necessarily need pants on, but your legs cannot touch because that can interfere with the reading. So if you have pants, then obviously it's gonna like insulate your legs, but just make sure your legs don't touch. If you don't do it, we're just gonna get on, and then we're gonna be very still.
And wait for the information to show up on the screen. And if you're using a smart scale like this Able Grid scale, it will also send that information to the app, and then you can see that information on the app. And if you want to get this particular scale, there's a link down below.